student, have a nice day. I am your computer teacher Reena madam. Today we have to learn in this video how to set in a one web page, background and different types of colors of font. Okay, different font colors in our one web page means different sentences how to take the different types of color also with the background in a one web pages. Okay, so let's start it children. First of all we have started the notepad and internet explorer. Okay, in notepad let's started the coding. First of all we have to take the HTML beginner tag, you know everyone. After that we have to take the head section. Okay, after that we will take the title. Okay, I have to write my page. Okay, after that I will close the title. After that close the head section. Okay, head section will close. After that we will discuss about body. Okay, so body syntax we have to set the simple collar, BG collar. Okay, in BG collar we have to set any color. Otherwise if we have to not taken any color, no problem is there. Okay, so we have to take not any color, we have to take only body. After body we will take the font. In a font we have to write font color. Okay, in the first line, so I have to take black color. Okay, and this is my heading, so that's why I am taking the H1 tag. So my heading is taking care of computer. Okay, this is my heading, so that's why I am taking the H1 tag. So my heading is completed. After completing my heading, I have to close H1 tag. After that I have to close the font option also. Okay, because font is container tag. So font color, font space color equals to black color. This is my heading, that's why I am taking the H1. So my heading is taking care of computer. H1 will close, font will close. After that I am taking for new sentence font color, color color equals to blue color. Okay, my next font color is blue color. Okay, after that I have to write some line. As is the case with other machines, the computer too needs to be taken care. After that I have to take BR for break line. My cursor will move in next line. I have to type next line of to keep it in perfect working condition. After that children, we will close the font tag because my this sentence only appear in which color? I have to take one color also, black color. Okay, this is my black color. Okay, after that we will take the next line. So first my heading is black color, second my font color is blue, so this line is coming in blue color. After this line is very much longer, that's why I have to take BR tag. After that I am write some syntax sentences also there. After that we have to close the font option because font is a container tag. After that we will take new font for different line, different sentence. I have to write here, and in different color I have to write here green color. Okay, this font my green color. This font is green color. So my sentences are sometimes after continuous use computers appear to slow down. After that we have to take the BR tag for take line. Okay, this is BEACAUSE because because fragmentation of files take place. Okay, after completing this sentence we will close the font. Okay, only close the font, not close the br, because br is the empty tag, font is the container tag. After that we will take new font color for next line. Font color equals to, in double quotes we have to write blue color. If I am taking any other color is blue, so in this sentence will appear blue color, in this sentence appear in green color. So we will write here in different color. I have to write red color. Okay, so this font is red color. So what happened? It normally happens as we keep on adding, modifying and deleting files. So these are contains. After that we will close the font. Okay, after that we will close the body section. After we will close the HTML section. Okay children, so let's everyone again revise this question. First of all we have to take the body for internet notepad for coding and Internet Explorer. For coding, in this coding we have to learn how to set the in a one page, how to set the different types of font color. Okay, in a one page. Okay, so we will see here. First of all, taking the HTML tag, then header, then title. Title is my page. Title will close, head will close. After that, body will start it. In body section, I am not set any background color. If you want any background color, you have to write body bg color equals to color name. Okay, but I am not taking any color. After that, font color. My first font is font space color equals to black. This is my heading. That's why I have to take H1. Taking care of computer, H1 is closed. After completing this sentence, after that font, first font will close. After that children, we have to go in next font. So my next font will appear in blue color. So font space color equals to blue. Some line I am writing here. After that BR tag, because this line is very longer, that's why I break the line. BR tag. After that line continue. Then this tag also, this font is also closed. Next line also I am taking. So next font is green color. Font space color equals to green. Some sentences I will write here. Then BR tag using for break line. Next line will continuous. After that we will see close the font. Okay, this font is also closed, and I have to take new line. This new line font color is equal to is red color. This line is, it normally happens as we keep on the adding, modifying and deleting the file. After that, completing this line, we will close the font, then close the body section, then close the HTML section. So this is our coding in a one page, how to set the different types of sentences in different colors. Okay, now we have to go and save as option. You know everyone, in previous class we have to discuss how to save the file. So first we have to go in file menu, then save as option. Okay, then select the D drive. I have to write different file name. I have to write deepa.html. My file name is deepa and .html, extension of file HTML file. After that, deepa.html I have to save in D drive. Okay, it is saved in D drive. After that, we will take the Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer, we will go file menu, then open, then browser, then D drive. I have to select my file name Deepa. Then I have to click the open button, then OK. So this is my font children, but some you have to see here, not any background will appear, but all sentences will coming in different color. But I am not taking here BR tag, that's what this line is continuous. So I am going next again in this line we have to take here BR for break line, okay, and save one time. After that we will take and going for this line also BR tag, okay. After that again one time save only, not save as, save only, and then view second time. After saving my file, new modification after view, then refresh option. So the next line will come in next line, okay. So my title is in black color, next line is blue, second line is green, and last line is red color. So this is one page and different font color will appear on my web page. If we have to take any background color for this web page, you know everyone how to set. So going again in notepad coding window, and we have to go in body option. Body section we will write here body bg color equals to any color name. I have to write any color name. If I am right, I have to write yellow, okay. I have to write yellow color and one time save because this is my new modification. After that we will go up again this web page, and we will go in view option and refresh. So my web page background is yellow and all sentences will coming in different colors, blue, black, blue, green, and red color also. If we have to take a next new color, we have to take a next color we have to write here. If we have to write any other color, this appear in the web page, okay. My background is yellow color and my all font color is different type of color, black, blue, green, and red, okay. So children, enjoy everyone this file practical, okay. In this practical we will learn how to set the different font color in a one web page with the background. So children, this practical you have to see this practical output in your page number, computer book page number 75, and have a nice day children. Thank you watching my video, and you have to learn and you enjoy this practical, okay. Thank you.